fun recipes that you all can try at your home. For today's recipe, we're going to do a Paneer Vegetable Wrap, a simple whole wheat bread wrap in which there will be a paneer filling. So let's the fun begin. The ingredients for the recipe are 200 grams of paneer, some butter, 25 grams of butter, 50 to 60 grams of grated cheese, some honey which will add it to our vegetables, chopped garlic, mixed herb, mustard powder, black pepper powder, some refined flour or maida to give it a binding. And for the vegetables, we're going to use onion, capsicum, cabbage, tomato, carrot, a green chili to give it a heat, some lemon juice for taste, and some oil. So let's the cooking begin. So the trick for this recipe is to get our vegetables thinly sliced or thinly chopped, or they are also known as julienne cut. So I'm going to show you how to cut it also quickly so you can look at it. So firstly, we are taking our carrot, cutting it into a half. Just cutting a small piece of carrot so that it rests well on the chopping board. Then you need to tuck your fingers in and with a sliding motion cut the slices of carrot. With practice, this can be done very quickly. Initially you guys will take some time, but so as we go close, just turn the side. Similar thing can be done for this piece of carrot as well. Now once our carrot slices are ready, you just need to neatly arrange them and hold them together and run your knife in a swift sliding motion, slowly going back. So this will give you a nice julienne type of cut of your carrots. Now for our cabbage, we need to get the side portion like this. 1, 2 and 3. And this side portions we need to just rest it on chopping board and slowly cut the slices. You need to hold it firmly and slowly slide your fingers backwards at the same time with a smooth motion. So some people use the backward to forward motion. This is one way of sliding the knife like this. Some people do it from forward to backward like this. So whichever you are comfortable with, you need to do it. Let's cut our capsicum as well. So for tomato, we're not going to use seeds, so we just have to use the outer part of tomato. Now we're going to cut our peeled onion into 2 halves. And 1 half we're going to hold it vertically, and with a clean motion we're going to cut the slices of onions. So all our vegetables are nicely cut now. We're going to add the juice of a half lemon to it. Also, we're going to add some honey, a teaspoon of honey, and some salt to taste. going to mix these vegetables nicely and then add the grated cheese to it. Now our filling mix to the salad is nicely mixed. We need to leave this for 15 to 20 minutes. So our chopped vegetables are nicely rested and you see the juices have started losing. So let's start cooking the filling. We will start with some oil in the hot pan, little bit of oil, then you can add the butter, to this you add the chopped garlic first. Let's add the paneer pieces. The mixture get nicely sauteed. There is some salt in the salad, but to adjust it with paneer, we're going to add little bit salt to this mixture as well. Let us add the salad. Now, the trick here is not to get it fully cooked, but just warm it through and mix with paneer. To make it into a binding, we're just going to add some refined flour to the mix and mix it thoroughly. Now we're going to turn the heat down and leave this mixture to cook around 6 to 7 minutes. And covering it. So now our mixture is cooked for 5 minutes and the water is also turned into a sauce due to refined flour. It has nice binding mixture. If you feel water is little more, you can add a teaspoon or so of extra refined flour, but in our case it's not needed. So let's switch off the flame and let this mixture cool for around 10 to 15 minutes before we start making wraps. Our filling is now relatively cold so that we can start the stuffing, and the whole wheat flatbread or chapatis are also ready. If you get ready-made tortilla, you can use that as well. So let's start making the rolls. Firstly, you need to take two. Since I am using a small or a medium size this chapatis, I am going to use 2 for a filling so that it doesn't break. You need to put 2 on each other like this, and the filling is going to be in this area, little towards you, and from this end to this end. So I am just going to add the filling. Now first thing is you fold this area, tuck this in, hold it towards you and roll. Like this, one wrap is ready. Let's make all 4 of them now. Let's add little bit of oil to the grilling pan. It's nice and hot. And put the roll move them to the little on the side. medium heat. Get this lightly pressed there to get grilled nicely on one side, and then we are going to turn them over. So we have turned them around, and you see the nice grill marks have come on them. So they are almost ready for service. Our veg paneer cheesy wraps are ready. We have made them in nice whole wheat bread or chapati. So it's a very healthy recipe. For such a more interesting recipe, subscribe to our channel. And now I'm going to show you a very interesting presentation. We're going to present it in a basket restaurant style so that the food looks attractive. You see the nice wrap is ready. It's hot. We're going to just give it a slanting cut. You see the oozing juicy filling inside. We're going to keep it in our basket like this. Let's put 2 of them in a basket so that basket also looks filled. And we need to serve it with some potato crisps. So for that nice crunch, let's put some potato crisp on the side. So there you have it, friends. The paneer cheese vegetable whole wheat wrap for you. Enjoy.